Hi, this is Rob, and I'm here with Elizabeth. And we're going to meet the crew, meet the Keptn crew. So I'm excited. This is our first episode, and Elizabeth is a UX developer, and we really want to showcase some of the work she's been working on. But hey, Elizabeth, why don't you tell us about yourself and how long you've been on the team and sort of your background?
Yes, hi, sure. So I'm with Keptn now for around 1 year. So it's pretty cool to work on it. And I'm mainly responsible with two other developers for the bridge part. So the front end that you can see if you configure Keptn. Yeah, my last feature, I think, is the trigger, or bigger feature, let's say that, is the triggering a sequence from the bridge feature, which is pretty exciting. And I'm looking forward if it's going to be released in a few weeks from now.
But for people that just want to know about you a little bit, what's your background? Where did you go to school? Where do you live now? What are your interests?
Yeah, so I'm based in Austria, so in the south of it. I don't know if you heard from it. It's in Carinthia in Klagenfurt. We have an office here where we all work together. So I studied, what's it called in English? I forgot it. Information
science?
Technology. Computer science, thank you.
Computer
because
science.
It's a bit,
well,
it's
I
differently.
I do have a computer science major, so kudos.
Yeah, it's called a bit differently in German, so it's often hard to switch.
So how do you say it in German? Because I'm sure there's some German folks here. So
it's Informationstechnologien.
There you go. There you go. Well, we're all a global community, and we're all trying to learn different languages. So yeah, so don't be shy to educate us on how to say things and pronounce things. So anyway, so you went to university in computer science. You're working out in Klagenfurt.
Yeah, and I was always very interested in the UX part of it too. So basically I focused a bit on myself on UX and design. So I hope that I could bring already some UX experience into the bridge. To be honest,
you certainly have. I can say yes. So, but maybe just one. If people want to, follow the career that you have, any tips or advice for young people coming out of college, or maybe in college, they're thinking about what they want to do. Like, how can they, be inspired and learn like you have?
Yeah, to be honest, computer science is like a really broad field. So there's a lot. There's this network technology stuff, AI, and also like software engineering. And also in software engineering, there's a lot to do and a lot to learn. And I would say the most thing I can recommend is just find something that you're interested in, stick to it. For me, it was really like front-end development and UX. So this is the most I just like doing this. I think this is something that's very important, because otherwise it's hard. I think it will be hard to step a foot in, because it seems very complicated. But I think in computer science there are a lot of interesting topics, and it's worth to just try and
Well said, Elizabeth. That's great. We all want to wake up and be excited about what we're doing. And the Keptn project really offers a lot of ways, from documentation to user interface to some of the things on the Kubernetes side, building custom services, custom logic. So this is a great way to get involved. And so thank you so much for your efforts. It was great to meet you on the Keptn crew. So hopefully we'll meet some of your colleagues in upcoming episodes and seeing what everyone's involved with. So thank you again.